Here are 5 signs the universe is testing you. 1. Sudden obstacles. You encounter sudden obstacles. These obstacles may show up in the form of a person, an object, or a situation. Whatever the form the obstacles come in, they can bring up a lot of fear and uncertainty because you have to throw your original plans out the window. But what if these obstacles are actually the universe's way of redirecting you towards something even better? You see, the main reason why the universe places an obstacle in your life is to strengthen your capacity to transform your fear back to faith. 2. A change of plans. The second sign the universe is testing you is a sudden change of plans. Many of us make plans and stick to them because they make us feel safe and in control. We often think we know what's best for us, but the universe's divine plan always transcends our own. The danger of becoming too attached to your own plans is the risk of blocking yourself from receiving the greater plan the universe has in store for you. So when things don't go according to your plan, it's actually your opportunity to practice surrendering your plans to the universe. 3. The need to give something up. You know the saying, out with the old, and in with the new? Well, that's exactly how life works. According to the law of giving and receiving, you must be able to give up something in order to get something. Now that something can look different for different people. It may be physical things like money, a job, old friendships, or intangible things like time, energy, and effort. When a situation calls for you to give something up, that's a sign that the universe is testing your ability to let go of what you think you need. 4. Judgment from other people. Judgments from others reveal to you the areas in your life that still need to be healed. Judgment from others can be a test from the universe to strengthen your confidence and self-esteem. Trust that your confidence and positive vibrations are enough to repel any judgment that's coming your way. 5. Timing delays. Many of us are so used to getting what we want instantly, that we expect the same result when we are manifesting our dreams and goals. But this is not how manifestation works. The fact that we can't control the timing of our manifestations causes many manifestors to spiral down into fear and worry, which are low vibrational emotions according to the emotional guidance scale. Release the timing and simply focus on raising your vibrations through your spiritual practices like using I Am affirmations, affirmation cards, and prayers. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more such videos.